One more. I looked into her eyes. There I saw smoldering fire. I held her in my arms as we stood on the threshold. We stood on the threshold. Ooh, we stood on the threshold of paradise. I held her in my arms. Golden flames started to rise. I felt the beating of my heart as we stood on the threshold. We stood on the threshold. Ooh, we stood on the threshold. Oh, paradise.
Alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And this is an example of a custom choreography for 2 of our students. So if you wanted to have a custom choreography to your own song and your specific desires, be sure to check out the programs below. We have 2 options. Also, this choreography is now available for purchase. So I'll also link that below for $49. So that's all for today. Come back for more and check out our website for all of our other stuff. Bye.
Then we kissed once again.